Hello, everyone! Have you ever wondered about the incredible ways life changes over time? Evolution is much more than just one simple idea. It is a powerful force that shapes all living things. There are many different forms and processes of evolution. Today, we're going to explore these fascinating types. Let's dive in and understand how life adapts and transforms. First, let's talk about microevolution. This refers to small-scale changes. These changes happen within a single population or species. They involve shifts in gene frequencies. This can occur over relatively short periods. Think about bacteria becoming resistant to antibiotics. That's a clear example of microevolution at work. Next, we have macroevolution. This involves large-scale changes. These changes occur above the level of a single species. They lead to the formation of new species, genera, or even higher taxonomic groups. Macroevolution happens over very long geological periods. The evolution of birds from dinosaurs is a classic example of macroevolution. Then there's convergent evolution. This is when unrelated species develop similar traits. They evolve these traits independently. This often happens because they live in similar environments. They face similar challenges. For instance, both sharks and dolphins have streamlined bodies and fins. They look alike. But sharks are fish, and dolphins are mammals. They evolved these similar features separately. Their environments pushed them to adapt in similar ways. Moving on to divergent evolution. This is the opposite of convergent evolution. Here, closely related species evolve different traits. They start from a common ancestor. They adapt to different environments or lifestyles. A great example is Darwin's finches. They all came from one ancestral bird. But they developed different beak shapes. Each beak was suited for different types of food on different islands. Another important type is coevolution. This happens when two or more species evolve in response to each other. Their evolutionary paths become intertwined. A change in one species drives a change in the other. Think about a flower and its pollinator. The flower might evolve a specific shape. This shape fits only one type of insect. The insect then evolves to access that flower's nectar. Predator-prey relationships are also examples of coevolution. We also have adaptive radiation. This is a rapid diversification. A single ancestral species quickly evolves into many new species. Each new species adapts to a different ecological niche. This often happens when a species enters a new environment. This new environment has many available resources. The Hawaiian honeycreepers are a famous example. They diversified into many forms. Each form had unique beak shapes and feeding habits. Finally, let's consider genetic drift and gene flow. Genetic drift is a random change in the frequency of genes. It is not due to natural selection. It is more noticeable in small populations. Random events can greatly affect the gene pool. The bottleneck effect and founder effect are types of genetic drift. Gene flow is the movement of genes between populations. This happens when individuals migrate. They then reproduce in a new population. Gene flow can introduce new genetic variation. It can also make populations more similar over time. Wow, that was a lot of amazing information. Evolution is truly a powerful and complex process. It constantly shapes all life on Earth. Understanding its different types helps us see the world in a more detailed way. Thank you so much for watching this video. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed learning about the different types of evolution, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who love science. Also, subscribe to our channel for more exciting educational content. Your support helps us create more videos like this one. We love bringing you these fascinating topics. See you next time.